If you are looking for a last-minute holiday gift idea, we have the perfect option here at the plant farm. Come on in and make your own terrarium that hangs just like an ornament. We have all different shapes and sizes, so many different plants to choose from, as well as a variety of sands and other accent pieces to add in. So today I'm going to make an example with one of our Mona Lisa lipsticks. And the first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of white rock in the bottom. That helps a little bit with drainage, as well as gives it a nice appealing look from underneath too. We have pre-sized baggies of a lot of different things. That way you don't have to buy a whole bag of potting soil. You just buy a little bag like this one and use as much as you need. Very gently break up the roots of my plant. Another perk of coming in to do this activity is that you can make the mess right here in the store, and we'll be the ones to clean it up after you're done. And you can come in with family, friends, and make it a group activity too. Gently press that soil down in. Tools as well. Dusting off the leaves. Place things. A little bit of red sand to it. You can layer different colors of sand in there. And even press it down the sides so that you see more of the sand rather than soil. And that's really easy to do just by going in and making a little indent along your glass, and the sand will trickle in where the soil separates from the side of the glass. And just kind of add more in and layer and press to get different designs. Slope to look with the sand inside. I'm just going to put a couple little gems in here. Extra bling. Odd numbers of things tend to look really nice, so I think I am going to do 2 small and 1 large gem. Cute and ready to be gifted.